Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Friday morning market webcast. Okay, daily chart. Hope everybody had a fantastic Thanksgiving yesterday. We are open today until 1:15. There's a trading halt at 1:15, and then we open back up Sunday into Monday. So, where are we? Well, we're still in sell rallies mode. We're very much in sell rallies mode. Even on this weird little Globex day, they took it up, in the area of 56.25. We traded as low as 27, and it looks like we're getting ready to challenge those 27 lows. I've said before, and I continue to maintain, 2603 is open for business. The issue is, are they going to have the commitment, the resiliency to continue to sell rallies, do lower lows, and then come in and defend the rallies from lower levels? So far they have. I mean, you can see it here. That's a lower high, lower high, lower high. So the bears are doing their job. There are violent upside rallies. There just are. And those violent upside rallies right now are being sold. There will be more violent upside rallies. But like I've said, you can either be long those rallies not from where they begin, but pretty darn close. Or you really got to stand aside. What you don't want to do is be early short those rallies waiting for the next one down, because they can last a heck of a lot longer and go a heck of a lot farther than you can really plan for. And by the time you're done getting the you-know-what beat out of you and you capitulate, then all of a sudden that rally is going to sell, it's going to roll over, and we're going to head lower. So we had an okay day on Wednesday. It was about 8-handle day. I mean, the afternoon started to chop, and then I had family and stuff, and I took off. So that last big move down, I missed it. But, when we left, I was pretty content to miss it because it was such a low volume type of a situation. The thing that I would note, though, is that kind of a low volume situation tends to boost the markets to the upside. It didn't do that on Wednesday, which is just another, feather in the cap of the character of this market is changing, in my opinion. You are seeing character change. So our low from Wednesday was 32.25. We just took that out, and we've traded now, into the 29s. I'm not chasing this to the downside. There's certainly enough volatility in the regular sessions to catch this. So I literally just sat down at my desk. VWAP failed at about 7:45 in the morning, and that yielded a really nice move down. But look, I don't need to be in every single move. Younger traders or newer traders or traders that maybe aren't as successful as they could be just insist on trying to be in every single inch of the market. We're up 120 handles this week, and I don't even know what we're up for the month, and I don't really care. I'm only concerned about the 5 handles in front of me, and when I sat down, to short it now would be shorting it in the hole. I would rather wait for a reasonable bounce here and see what it wants to do. So hourly chart, you see a series of lower highs. Weekly pivot failed back here on Monday. We kind of chopped to the down. It wasn't choppy. It wasn't a flat, dead market on the holiday. It was a lower high and lower low type of market. The hourly mid-band was decent resistance all through the holiday session. They spiked it up above. They held it up above it for an hour, but then, down we go. So as far as this Globex is concerned, the low at 27, we're challenging it here. I would expect it to be taken out. And if they can do that, there's only so many times we're going down into the teens of the 26s without testing that 2603. Maybe today's the day. Maybe today is not the day. Doesn't really matter. Maybe we bounce today. But whatever we do, we need to be concerned on 5 to 10 handles in front of us. We need to be concerned with price and what's our risk. Not some pontification about where the tape could go over the course of the next 5 days or 5 weeks or 5 months because we want to look so smart. And in the midst of trying to be smart, you get hammered every day and you're just so wrong. And people that follow that crap lose money, and it doesn't work. Concern yourself with price, concern yourself with risk, concern yourself with 5 to 10 handles in front of you, and the rest will take care of itself. It really will. Whatever your time frame, it will take care of itself. All right, everybody have a fantastic day, a fantastic half day. Happy Friday. Have a great long weekend. We'll be out with some stuff on social. Check that out. Take care. Trade them well. Talk to you soon. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princetontrader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade them well.